Wedding videography is one of the fastest growing categories in the wedding industry, and you can make real money doing something that you love. Announcing the complete wedding videography course. John Bunn and Nick Miller, hosts of the wildly popular How to Film Weddings podcast, are releasing a brand new course, the complete wedding videography course. Business, shooting, editing, all in one place. Behind the scenes shooting at a real wedding, behind the scenes as we edit, over 30 hours of content to help you in your business. This is everything we know after over 20 years in the business. Get the exact blueprint of how we both run six-figure wedding videography businesses. Sit down and learn from the pros. See what we have done to thrive in our businesses. Set your own schedule, be your own boss. The complete wedding videography course. Available this week only. Head over to CompleteWeddingVideography.com to enroll today.